Number 7. A school is planning to build a rectangular playground. The length of the playground is 45 meters and the width is 30 meters. If the school wants to put a fence around the playground and the cost of fencing is 250 pesos per meter, how much will it cost in total? So, unang-una, dito sa given natin, ang binigay is length and width. So, meron tayong 45 and 30. Ngayon, the statement here is, the school wants to put a fence. So, yung fence na yan, ibig sabihin yan yung nasa paligid ng playground. So, ibig sabihin, if we're talking about fence and then rectangle, ang kinukuha natin dyan ay walang iba kundi ang perimeter. Okay. So, ano ba ang formula natin sa pagkuha ng perimeter? Siyempre, ang kailangan natin is 2L plus 2W. So, again, ano ang sukat ng ating length? Meron tayong 45 meters. At ang ating width ay 30 meters. Okay, so, substitute natin para makuha ang perimeter. 2 times 45 plus 2 times 30. Okay, next. 2 times 45 is 90. Plus 2 times 30 is 60. So, therefore, the perimeter of this rectangle is 150. Don't forget to write meters. Now, may tanong tayo dito. The cost of fencing daw is 250 per meter. Ang tanong, how much will it cost in total? So, what are we going to do with this one? Siyempre, to get the total cost, we need to multiply the perimeter by the cost per meter, and that is 250. So, let's substitute. Perimeter is 150 times 250 per meter. That is 37,500 pesos. So, thank you for listening. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!